So from a cost perspective for aquaponics or even our aquariums, are we going to do the master test kit or are we going to do the strips? Let's just actually break it down and have a bit of a gander as to which one is better value, because you're not going to believe it. Now I know what you're thinking. You're sitting there on the computer going, I need to get the water quality tests, and looking at the strips and you're going, yep, that's got everything I need, 25 bucks, yep, I'll just go and do that. Not including shipping, of course. Whereas, you know, the master freshwater test kit, got everything, yep, 80 bucks. 25, 80. No brainer, right? Let's actually break that down and have a little bit of a look at it though. Your master test kit has every test that you, well, not every test, but pretty much all the tests you're going to need. It's got the ammonia, nitrite, nitrate, and your pH. So we actually have a really cool little table at the back that shows us pH, high and low, ammonia, nitrite, nitrate. Has everything in there, right? As you know, your main basic water testing that you're needing to do every week. And it says over 800 tests in this. Yeah, sure it takes, well, you get used to it, takes like 5 minutes to do, or maybe 10. Doesn't take that long to do it. And you're going to get accurate results, right? That's 80 bucks. Seriously, 80 bucks. Well, when we sit there and go, test strips, yay, so much cheaper, 25 bucks. But we need to have a look. It says pH, nitrite, nitrate, but it also does have the KH and GH, which honestly you should be testing, but it's nowhere near as important. It just helps to balance your pH a lot. And this test kit's 25 bucks. Does not have ammonia. So that means we need to get more test strips. Ammonia. 25 test strips. Cool. Nearly 50 bucks. I think I saw it was like 49 or something like that for 25 tests. Seriously crazy. And that is seriously crazy. So we need to get 2 of these now, because you must do your ammonia and you must do your nitrite and you need to have your nitrate. All these kind of rather important. Now, just going to say up here, I'm showing you a really cheap test kit. Don't buy it. They're pool test kits. Even though they say they're aquarium, cheap is not good. You're not going to get good results. You may get good results here, but that one, no. Results are going to be really bad. Okay, don't do it. I tried it. I bought them. I was disgusted. Does not work well. Just saying. Those cheap ones, no. Please don't do it. You're going to waste your money. So you're back to the strips, because they're super easy, right? You pull the strip out, you put it in the water and move it around a little bit for a few seconds, let it dry for a minute. Results, but $25, nearly $50. Wow, that's 35 bucks plus shipping, right? Versus 80 bucks, 25 tests, 800 tests. In case you're not feeling me on this, let's break this down a little bit more. 800 tests. Now let's just say we're going to get each of these test kits, just say 200 tests out of each one, right? I need to break it down like that because that has the ammonia, the nitrite, the nitrate and pH. But we need both of these for the ammonia, the nitrite, nitrate and pH. Here's one. So if we're looking at 200 tests to make that equivalent, that's going to be 6 packs. We'll round it around and say 150 bucks. Well, shit. Just saying, shit. I can't say very many other words because, you know, YouTube and all. 125 bucks for the same amount, but wait, there is more. And I'm going to tell you, there is more. Don't forget our ammonia test kit. We'll say 50 bucks per test, like per kit. It's like $2 per test strip. Can you believe it? $2 per test strip. So that means to get 200 tests out of that ammonia test kit, you know, to balance this one out, we're going to need, again, roughly 6 of these. 6 times 50. Crikey. 6 times 50, 300 bucks. So at the moment we're looking at $450 for the simple, cheap, easy way of doing it with your test kits to get the same amount as you would get from your master test kit. Just saying. When people say, is it worth me getting the test strips? My reaction When I see that in a Facebook group, it's no! Because seriously, they don't give you a great result. Okay, check out other videos I've got showing you about how they work and don't work. In fact, I might do a few more just to really emphasize this. But if you're penny pushing, whether this is your aquarium, your aquaponics system, whatever, anything to test your water quality, go with your freshwater master test kit. It is cheaper. It might be a little bit more work, but it's really not that hard. Read the instructions. I've got a cat about to jump on me. The bottles even tell you reagent 1, reagent 2, reagent A and reagent B. No, it's definitely 1 and 2. It tells you which reagent is, how many drops, how long to leave it for. It is super simple. And you'll get accurate results, whereas your strips, less accurate. How much money are you going to spend on your test kits? Just asking. I know what I'm doing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm putting videos up every couple of days, so make sure that you hit subscribe so you can get all of them